buy at your own risk, but I don't see. Welcome back to my channel, and I know you know what this video is about, right? We're gonna talk about Pattern Beauty today, and so let's just get right into the meat of the matter. So I bought the on-the-go kit from Ulta Beauty, and it was $25 for this pack. But I'm gonna tell you something, sis. Every single full size product is $24 a pop. If you just want to try this, then I'd recommend the on-the-go kit. But y'all know this product is by Tracy Ellis Ross, so it's black owned, and it says that it's paraben free, it's free of SLS, it's color safe, it's free of cyclic silicones, it's formaldehyde free, and it also says by purchasing Pattern products, you're helping to support organizations and programs that empower women and people of color. And I love that statement. But y'all didn't come to hear my spiel about how much I love this statement. Y'all want to know the juice on this product, so let's just get into that. So I'm going to tell you what I feel about the products as we go through my wash day routine and how I got this bomb wash and go with this product. And we're gonna talk about some of the ingredients that you may or may not like. So let's just get into it. So this shampoo is very cleansing. Like, my hair is very much stripped of its oils and in need of some moisture. But so if you have buildup or anything, then this would be a great shampoo to get rid of that buildup and to cleanse your scalp. So now we're gonna go with the heavy conditioner, right? Wow, this is a very thick conditioner. See how it feels on my hair. It smells like, I don't know, it smells like, I don't know, flowers or leaves. It has a very perfumey, flowery scent, I think, in my opinion. It has slip, so that's good. So I'm gonna get this off from my hair and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm done putting the deep conditioner in my hair, and it is very thick and moisturizing, but I'm gonna use it as an intense deep conditioner, and I'm going to put it under some heat. So my hair feels nice and moisturized after using the conditioner to deep condition. It needs a little more moisture, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the leave-in conditioner, and this line doesn't have any styler or gel. It's just the leave-in. So I'm gonna put that in my hair and see how it feels. And then I'm gonna use my Eco Styler gel to see if it's compatible with that. Let's hope, because it will be a tragedy if it's not. This is what it looks like. It feels nice on my hand. So, oh, it goes through my hair really nicely too. Ooh, ciao. And it smells a lot like the conditioner also. So it has like a flower kind of scent, right? Ooh, this feels really good on my hair. Oh, I love this leave-in already. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I really like this leave-in. This leave-in has some nice slip. Okay, so I'm gonna work that all throughout my hair, and then I'll be back. So I'm done putting the leave-in in my hair, and my hair feels really nice. But I know that with my curly hair, this leave-in is not enough. Like you can see, like my curls aren't very defined with this leave-in, and I am very heavy-handed. So my curls are fluffy but not very defined. And so I know that I'm about to look like a mushroom. Well, not a mushroom, a broccoli, if I just leave my hair like this. So I'm going to most definitely put a gel. If you're not one for gels, then I would say go ahead and like do a twist out or a braid out or something with this, and it might just look good, but it's not heavy enough to keep my hair defined. So I'm gonna apply some gel, and hopefully they are compatible, because let's see. So far it looks, oh, okay, it looks like it's compatible with my Eco Stylo. I'm gonna keep going and see how it looks. I'll be right back. So this is how my hair looks, and it looks like the Eco Styler and the leave-in are compatible. So I'm happy about that. My hair's still wet, so when it dries, we will know for sure. But I think it's safe to say that it's fine, because I don't get that grainy residue that you get when your styler and your gel is not compatible. So let's get count on the ingredients on this product line for a bit. Okay, first and foremost, I need to weed some of us out of the equation when it comes to this. If you thought that this product line was on the natural side, then it's not for you. It has some good natural, like essential oils and butters, but there's a great amount of synthetic products in it. So if you're against synthetic products, this is not for you. If you are critical on the critical method, two of these ingredients that I've used today are not for you. The shampoo and the leave-in, not for you. If you are against waxes, this conditioner is not for you. Okay, so now we've weeded some of us out of the equation. If you don't mind synthetic ingredients, which I don't mind because I think they're needed for the efficacy and shelf life of a product line, then the rest of this is actually for you. All right, so let's talk about this. My two favorite products are the heavy conditioner and the leave-in. Why? Because of the way they feel, obviously. Really good slip, very moisturizing, and that's what I liked about these two. Um, but we need to just go into the ingredients just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, so the leave-in conditioner and the shampoo actually has a silicone. I know it says that it is free of cyclic silicones, but it does have a silicone which is not cyclic. Okay, and the silicone in there is amodimethione. And I know silicones get a bad rap, but silicones have their uses, and they're usually used in products to provide good slip, which this has, good shine, and it's actually really good. It's a really good heat protectant for your hair, and it actually helps protect color too. So amodimethione is not a bad silicone. It's not the best. It's not the worst, but it's actually called deposit repelling silicone, and really what that means is it's supposed to like repel the deposit that's caused by regular silicones, but really truly use of it causes buildup. And pretty much to avoid buildup from silicones, you just need a surfactant, which what I mean is you need a clarifying shampoo, which the shampoo is. It's a clarifying shampoo. Although it does have the silicone, it also has two really good ingredients that are surfactants that will get rid of silicones. So it has sodium C14 to 16 olefin sulfonate, which is the second ingredient, and cocamidopropyl betaine, which is the third ingredient. So there you have it, clarifying shampoo. And if you don't like clarifying shampoo, this is not for you. It is not moisturizing. Next thing up on the list is the hair conditioner. Now I was wondering why this was fake, like fake. But I realized that it does have really good ingredients. Like it has jojoba esters, it has some oils, but it does have it has waxes, which is if you're not a wax person, this is not for you. Um, it does have waxes in there, and it has isopropyl alcohol, which is like the second to last ingredient on here. And to be honest, I'm not thinking isopropyl alcohol is one of the bad alcohols for your hair. So it's a dry alcohol, a drying alcohol, other than like citral alcohol, which is a more fatty alcohol and more moisturizing. But I'm thinking this isopropyl alcohol, because of how far down it is on the ingredient list, is pretty much for emulsion to make sure that it stays together. And to be honest, the small amount of it, I don't care. So buy at your own risk, but I don't see anything wrong with this. I've told you what my favorites are. So thank you so much for watching, guys. This is all I have for you. If you have any comments, queries, questions, you put them down in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell.